In this video, we're going to look at how to take a PDF and make it editable in a Google Slide presentation. So you're going to open up a blank presentation, and once you've done that, you're going to click on the text boxes and go ahead and delete those so that you can have a blank slide. And we want to have a blank slide so that our background can be solely the image that we're going to use for the student to edit. So once you have a blank slide, you're going to go to your PDF that you're going to use, and you're going to use your screen capture tool, and you're going to capture the part of the PDF that you would like to use and edit in your Google Slide. Once you've captured that image, you're going to go back to your Google Slide, and you're going to choose background. Choose image, and then you're going to find the image that you just took a screen capture of, or you snip with your snipping tool. And the reason why we want to choose the background option instead of just copying and pasting is to make the image where it is static. We don't want the students to be able to reshape the image or change it in any way. So by making it a background image, then we know that it cannot be disturbed. So now that we've done that, now this image that I've used, this PDF that I've used, is already in the landscape format. But let's say it was in the portrait format, then I could go to File, then Page Setup, and I can change the page size by clicking this down arrow, changing it from widescreen, clicking Custom, and then I could put in the actual page size of the paper, 8.5 by 11. And you click Apply. And that would change it to the portrait style. Now, since this paper was already in landscape, I'm going to change it back by just simply clicking File, Page Setup, and then I'm going to do it in reverse and say 11 by 8.5. So that would be for a landscape page size. Now that we've gotten the page size set up, we want to add our text boxes by clicking on the text box feature and just shaping the text box over that area that you want them to be able to type in. Now you can add a little message, click here to type, and then you could just simply copy and paste that same text box to fit all the boxes that are available. And once you paste it, you could drag it to the area that you need it to be in. Now this box down here is a different size, so I would click the text box feature so I can customize the size of that text box. And I just drag it to over that area that I want to actually have the students type in. To be more specific and to enhance the lesson, you can take that text box and you can fill it with a color. So as you're teaching, you can refer to the specific box color to go along with the actual area that you're talking about. So this is a somebody wanted but so then template. So I can say in the somebody box or in the yellow box to be more specific. You can add a color to this box down here so that it is actually color coded and editable as well. Now, when you go to your Google Classroom, you want to create a class assignment where you title this presentation, make a copy for each student, so that way each student has their own copy of the editable slide in Google Slides.